Welcome to this tutorial on setting up a Google Ads campaign for your Shopify store. In this guide, we will walk you through the entire process, from creating a Google Ads account to launching your first campaign. First, you need to create a Google Ads account. If you already have a Google account, you can use that to sign in. Otherwise, create a new account and fill in the required information. Once you have created your account, you will be taken to the Google Ads dashboard. Next, you need to link your Google Ads account to your Shopify store. To do this, go to the Google Ads dashboard and click on the Tools icon. Then select Setup, and click on Linked Accounts. Search for Shopify and follow the prompts to connect your store. Now, let's create a new campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab and then click on the plus button to create a new campaign. Choose the goal of your campaign, such as sales or leads, and select the campaign type, which in this case is shopping. You will then be asked to set a budget for your campaign. This is the amount you are willing to spend per day on ads. You can also set a target cost per acquisition, which is the amount you are willing to pay for each conversion. The next step is to set up your ad groups. Ad groups are used to organize your ads and keywords. Create a new ad group and add relevant keywords that customers might use when searching for your products. You can also add negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches. Now, let's create your ads. Google Ads uses a format called responsive ads, which allows you to upload multiple images and headlines. And Google will automatically create different ad combinations. Upload your images and headlines, and write a compelling description of your product. Finally, you need to set up your target audience. You can target customers based on their location, language, and device. You can also set up remarketing campaigns to target customers who have previously visited your website. Once you have completed these steps, your campaign is ready to launch. Google Ads will review your campaign and ads to ensure they meet their policies. And once approved, your ads will start showing to customers. Monitor your campaign regularly to ensure it is performing well and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you can create a successful Google Ads campaign for your Shopify store and drive more sales and revenue. Remember to always monitor and optimize your campaign to ensure the best possible results.